We packed up our tent and all the other stuff, so the bikes are heavily loaded once again. It's a little bit soft over here, so Werner's just gonna take my bike out so long. Let me open the gate for you. It's still quite early, but it's already warm. Right, close the gate, and that's it.
Right, so
We spent 3 nights here. It's been very nice, but it's time for us to head off again. We had some very relaxed days. Nice rides, huh?
it was lovely.
Yeah, it was definitely lovely. Are you ready for today?
I am ready to hit the road, so we're gonna take it easy with the weight out here.
Yes. He's looking at me, not speeding. Now, Kissy, let's take good lines. You're good?
I'm good, I'm following you. So take nice lines, because I'm following your line.
I will try my best over here. Stay on course, change lanes, because our little Appaloosa horse might be
Yes.
spooked.
It's a beautiful horse.
Hey buddy, it's alright.
Hello, buddy.
So today's going to be quite a long day for us, 400 kilometers. We've not done this distance with these bikes packed yet, so we're going to see how the day goes. And we're riding to Wakkerstroom today. But yeah, we also have a little race because there's a big tropical storm coming in from the coast. It's making landfall today, and we need to beat it before we get down there. So hopefully we can make it in time before the storm makes it. I must say I had a fantastic time in this area. Beautiful area, beautiful riding, friendly people. This is just awesome, this place. I'm gonna miss this place, but I'm excited to hit the road again. So we're quickly gonna stop here at the Puma petrol station in Barberton. Just checking tires, and we need to get some fuel for the bikes. Both Mouse and Buddy are a little bit thirsty. I spoiled them with some nice petrol.
Good?
Yeah. Can you go a little bit more forward, and then I can bring my bike in. That's fine.
Hello, how are you? Good, thank you. Is it easier? So we're just checking the tire pressures quickly. Mine was fine. Raina still needed to get some air in. Did I have water? There. Sorry? It's a camera.
Camera.
Yes.
Oh,
We're documenting the whole trip.
so they are checking you.
Yes.
Who's checking you?
Everybody. Whoever wants to watch.
Oh.
Thank you.
Alright. Thumbs up.
Cheers.
Right, so go left.
Sure, this jacket is closed. Here. Sure, this jacket is closed. Here. Alright. Alright, so let's go. So we are riding almost the whole way past the border with Swaziland. And I picked that route because it's a little bit more beautiful than the flat areas.
Hopefully I picked a nice route, so we'll see what the Scenic is going to be. On the map it looks quite nice. The mountains to your left goes to Swaziland. The mountains in front of you, we are going to go over them.
Okay. We're doing some mountain passes then.
Yeah, I think we are going to do about 2 or 3 mountain passes today, except the ones that we've already did. And we're also going to go through a nature reserve.
Sounds good to me. Do I like this road?
Yeah, I can pick nice roads. Well, so far I'm doing pretty good.
As we are stuck behind the truck, we can enjoy the view for a bit.
Yeah.
It is pretty. chicken, stay there. Okay. Smart chicken. This reminds me already more of the Free State. It's crossing the
Yeah. I see them.
They're all crossing the road.
Hello, snake. That one is it.
They know the road rules. Oh well.
Oh, what's that?
Yes?
No, you know how they are.
Yeah, you do. Well done.
Hey, that's right. Don't you come and charge me, you little shit.
Forestry as far as I can see.
My bum is sore.
They're in the shade.
Yes.
So we had quickly something to drink, and we shared a small bag of chips. You can come back?
Okay, just tell me when to stop.
Yeah, just continue. Go, 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 go. It's fine.
Okay. Watch out for this drain.
Yep. Going from left to right on this road. And not because I'm drunk. Stupid point. Right, well, I'll brace myself again.
Yep. In front there, there's going to be a lot of wind. No more trees.
Right, the wall is not blocking it soon anymore. On the mountain. Then the valley will get some more wind. Okay, no, it's already here. We didn't have to wait for the valley.
It's gonna come now, and there you are gonna go in it. That's fine, we've got this. We can do it.
Just take it easy. I don't know what's going on up front here.
Look out. moving his cattle from one grassland to the next.
Herding the cattle. Look people, if you drive a VW, you were probably born a fucking dick.
Do you want to follow, Anna?
Yeah, just watch out for the little ones.
Do you think we can follow?
No, just watch out, just take our time. It's on a bridge, they're on a bridge now.
I know, Anna, relax.
I am. And just, we are herding some cattle on the way to Wakkerstroom, helping the local farmers herd their cattle.
Let them get on the road.
Just wait. Right, Kitsy, let's follow it. Follow him.
As long as they don't go over us, I'm fine.
No, they won't. Just take it easy.
Don't move yet, guys. Don't move yet. Might have to do a little bit of off-roading.
We're almost through.
No, but the cars want to go to the right.
Yeah, I know.
We want to go to the grass. Just wait a bit, guys. There we go.
Alright. First cattle herding done. Woo! Wakkerstroom. But we have beaten the storm today. It is the pre-winds has beaten us left, right and center all over the road, but we are not wet. We made it, and we made it all the way here to Wakkerstroom. Let's see, van de Skeefstraat. I actually think
Dit is van de Schuifstraat.
I think it is, yeah. Ah, so sorry.
Just go, Benna. Just go.
Yeah, I'm going.
Hello. How are you? Yeah.
Hi, hello.
Yeah, very far. Hi, Kissy. Yes. I am Dutch actually. So I can understand Afrikaans, but yeah. We are very tired, and I think both our backs hurt a little bit. So
But we made it here, and the wind was rough. But now we can hear the thunder outside.
Yeah, so there's a little bit of thunder.
But we beat the storm.
We beat the storm, and I'm happy that we actually got here because we're both very, very tired at the moment. So we are gonna say goodbye, and I hope you enjoyed the video, even though it was just riding tar for a long road. We had some interesting encounters today.
Yeah.
And I hope we'll see you next time.